Hello, welcome guys, welcome to this new episode of MisterPlayStudio. I hope that you had fun with my last video, and today we are going to be reviewing another set of toys with the character of Paw Patrol. So what we have today for you is a set of the Kinetic Sand Adventure Bay Beach. Okay, as you can see right here on the box, we have the famous characters of the Paw Patrol family. Alright, I don't know if you watch this cartoon, but in my place where I live, in my home, my kids are really in love with these toys. Okay, so what we have today is suitable for the girls, as you can see here, and also for boys. All right, so this set is full of wonderful features that we'll be able to find inside. But if you want to have an idea of what we have, here we go. Okay, it comes with 4 pieces. The sound, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the sound which is right here. Okay, so what we have right here, okay, is the squeezable sound. You can use that to mold your favorite character. Okay, so for example, if you want to mold Marshall, okay, Chase and Rebel, you can do that with the squeezable sound that we have. It also comes with a play space. Okay, here we have the play space. All right, so how can you use this kinetic sound set? Well, you can play with it just as follow. Okay, you can mold, as you can see right here. That's step 1. Then once you're done with step 1, step 2, you can create. Okay, create your favorite character. Then step 3, you can play with them. Okay, and if you want to use your imagination, in step 4 you will be able to mix all the colors that we have, so that you can create yourself the universe of your dream. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to open the box just to see what we have inside. Let's go. Sorry. Okay, look, here's the playset I told you about. Okay, look at that. Rough. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take this one by one. So here we have this. It's the red. We have it yellow as well. Finally, blue. Okay, we have the characters. Let's open this. Oh, this helped me. Okay, look at that. Wow, look what we have. Let's put it right there. And we have the dogs. Okay, you may know their name. Put it right here. Finally, we have the yellow one. Okay, and here we have the user guide. If you can't read, ask your parents to help you so you know how to use all this. Okay, now look what you can do. Okay, you can use the squeezable sound, maybe blue one, okay, and create what you have. So if you're okay with me, we are going to try this one. Okay, blue one, let's open it. That here we have it. Look, wow, connect sound. Okay, today another one, maybe this one. It's like this. Are you ready to see what we have as a result? One, two, three. Wow, look. Wonderful, right? You see what we've done? Okay. Going to take the same blue one, and maybe we're going to use the yellow. Move like this. Okay, always press. Okay, let's see the result. 1, 2, oh sorry, 3. Poof. Wow, look. Wonderful, isn't it? Now they are ready to go rescue the people in need. Okay, as always, if you need some help, don't hesitate to call the Paw Patrol. There we go. Hey. Okay guys, it was very quick to do this video because as you can see, we don't have much to say, and so I just want to thank you for watching this video, and I don't think that we need to keep it very long because we now discovered what we had inside of our box. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and once again, if you find it useful, make sure to share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, alright, so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next. Until then, bye bye now. Take care.